What is good? Fuck, good. Everyone. Shoobs here. This is so scuffed. Wait, what's this? What is this? What the fuck? Wait, hold up. Hold up. What? Bro, why doesn't my keyboard sound like that? I got the Razer gaming one with the clicky switches. This is supposed to be the best. I paid $150 for this. I knew I should have spent the extra money on the K70 with the Browns. Bro, I gotta do some research. No, there's no way. There's no way this is not. I didn't get the best keyboard. Wait, what was it again? Dude, this is what the PC build a PC deals told me was the best. Dude, what was it? Mechanical keyboards. Okay. Wait, what is going on? What is going on here? Why is this? What even is this? Just split keyboard? What? Man, these don't even have RGB. Okay. So apparently Tfue has this keyboard from K Cult. I don't know, but if Tfue has it, it's gotta be good, right? It's better than this Razer, right? Come on. Can I buy unavailable? What? Wait. I just joined the keyboard Discord. I gotta find this out. I gotta get to the bottom of this. Tag everyone. Yeah. It's a good idea. Why do you all buy expensive keyboards when you can just get a Razer with RGB? Hold up, 200 please, dude. I don't give a fuck. Just go. I need to know. Yo, what? No, that can't be right. What? No. That's wrong. There's no way. That's wrong. Dude, I paid $150. No. What are these guys? You don't know. Stop talking. What? Dude, these guys are crazy. Damn. There's no way. Maybe this isn't the best keyboard. Okay, so after doing some research, watching a lot of videos online, I think I got the general gist of this community. So MX Browns are bad, clickies are bad, holy pandas are good, and I'm gonna have to buy a case. Stabs? What are we stab? Switches, keycaps, and lube. I don't know, but I'll be sure to ask what the best switch is just in case, and what lube we're using. I mean, can't we just use Vaseline or something? Okay, so I did some research, and the Fiel, the one that Teo was using, that looked good. So I mean, I want to try that build out. So I think it might. Wait, it's all sold out. Wait, let me try something else. Okay, what about this unicorn? I heard about this in on like some of the forums. I think they're pretty good too. Wait, everything? There's nothing left? Alright, since all the keyboards are sold out, I think I can just wait a little bit until they restock. I might buy a keycap set, right? What's a GB? Probably means goodbye. I heard GMK was really good. Wait, $134? What even is GMK? It better stand for great motherfucking keycaps, cause this shit's so wait. Oh, Q1 2022? Okay, so let's look at the used market a little bit. Maybe I can get a key code that's been used a little bit for a bit cheaper. Find some deals or something. Let's sort by new. Oh, here, someone's selling a B stock one. Wait, what? So what you're telling me is that these super expensive keyboards all sell out instantly. I have to jump through hoops and hurdles to even have a chance at buying them. I have to enter raffles, I have to set up autofill, I have to wake up early. Not to mention the fact that these plastic colorful keycaps by GMK are hundreds of dollars. Then I'll have to wait a fucking year to arrive. Even if I wanted to buy something that's been used, I have to pay more than retail. What the fuck? Yeah, boy.
エマージェンシーレイジー奴らはクレイジーインザタウンうちにこもってゴロゴロゴロゴロと堕落の夜に絡みついた